Hello viewers, Guten Abend, good evening, Shubho Sandhya. I am Shalima Akhtar from Stuttgart. Welcome to our new video. We could not make any video last 2 weeks because we were busy with our work, exams as well. We have to move in a new apartment and maybe this video will be the last video from this apartment. Today we will discuss about the structure of a German sentence.
So the rules number 1, like any language, to complete one sentence we need 3 basic things in German language. Number 1 is subject, number 2 is verb, and number 3 is object. So let us think. We have ich as a subject, will be position number 1. Arbeite is a verb, will be positioned number 2, and am Montag is an object. We can tell in other way, like am Montag arbeite ich, or in general we normally tell ich arbeite am Montag. So this is the rules number 1. In this way we complete German sentence, and we have to remember that verb will be always positioned number 2. So just think about when we will have subject, one modal verb, object, and then the verb. So we will organize one sentence in this way. Subject will be in number 1 position, modal verb will be in number 2 position, object will be placed in the number 3 position, and then the verb will be placed in the last position of a sentence. So if we have ich as a subject, modal verb muss, object am Montag, and then verb, the normal verb arbeiten. So if you see carefully, arbeiten is in full form or infinitive form because we have already changed this modal verb muss according to subject ich. Okay, so this is the way we will complete one German sentence when we will have modal verb and verb together in one sentence. So think about in another kind of making interrogative sentence in German language. We have one verb, this is the regular verb, we have subject, we have object, and then object will be placed in the last position and then the interrogative sign. Okay, so as a verb we have arbeite, then the subject is ich, and then the object is am Montag, and then the interrogative sign. As I have already printed before, so remember the A will be in the capital letter, and obviously E in German language E will be in the small letter, and am Montag, and then don't forget to give one interrogative sign. So this will be the structure of interrogative German sentence structure when we will have only one verb, is the normal verb, and then one subject and one object, and then we will make interrogative sentence like this way. Let us think about what will be the sentence structure in case of interrogative sentence. That means when we will ask any question in German language or in a German sentence, how that will be. Simple like English sentence. So think about, we have modal verb and we also have the regular verb. Okay, so the interrogative form will be like that. Modal verb will be placed in, will come in the first place, and subject will come in the second place. Object will be placed in the same place, and the main verb or the normal verb will be placed in the last place, and in addition we will add one interrogative sign. Okay, so now if we see muss as a modal verb, subject is ich, then object will be am Montag, and then verb will be arbeiten in a infinitive form. Okay, so the interrogative structure will be muss ich am Montag arbeiten. Rules is same. Don't forget that as I have already printed, so that the M is written in a small letter, it will be written in a capital letter. If muss will be the first word in any sentence or in the first position. Okay, each will be written in the small letter, and everything will be the same, and one interrogative sign will be must. So this is the interrogative sentence structure in German language, when you will have modal verb, subject, object, and then verb. Now let us discuss about the making of German sentence with the use of subordinate clauses. And if you see, the position of the subject will be as usual 1, and then the position of the verb will be the second position, and then there will be subordinate clauses, and then in the end will be object, and in the last part of sentence there will be the placement of last verb. So let us see, if we want to make one sentence here, then I will place one haben verben, wir haben, then there will be presence of the perfect form of verb gesagt, then there must be one comma, then there will be the placement of subordinate clauses das, then the subject, then the object, and then in the at the last position there will be the haben verben again. So this is the way we will make German sentence with the use of subordinate clauses. At first subject, then there will be the placement of haben verben or sein verben, then the perfect form, then we must have to put a comma in front of subordinate clauses, and then again subject, object, and then in the last there will be the placement of main verb. So now think about in case of original imperative German sentence, the imperative form of German verb will be placed in the first position, then will come object. So if you will give two examples, komm, then yes, then here, that means come here, and then don't forget to keep the exclamatory sign. So this is for the second person singular number in an informal case. For the formal case, everything will be same, only there will be one extra t will be added. So kommt jetzt her, and then the exclamatory sign. So this is the sentence structure for original imperative German sentence when there is no subject. About a original imperative German sentence when we will have one subject, how we will organize or how we will make a German sentence. As usual, a verb will be placed in the first position, then the subject will come, then we will have the object. Trinken wir noch ein Bier, and as usual we must have to give one exclamatory sign. So this is the second rules of German imperative sentence when we will have subject and we will organize like this way. Don't forget to write the T here or the capital letter because we are starting the sentence with this verb. Normally verb will be always written in a small letters, but here verb is placed in the first position, so the te will be written in a capital letter.
Please subscribe our channel and please press the bell icon so that when we will upload any new video you can get the notification. As well, if you have any kind of question or suggestion for us, you can write to us in the comment section, and please like our videos, do comment and share. See you next week with a new video. Till then, bye. Tschüss, auf Wiedersehen, bis bald.